Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome everybody, guys. Today we'll take a look at the gold market. Today, guys, it's simultaneously it's difficult to say to talk on gold and it's simple to talk on gold. The simple to talk is because on the current technical picture we do not see much changes since our discussion on Friday. So no new patterns have been formed on the daily and intraday charts. In fact, nothing new. So we just have this candle down since our recent comments on the gold market. On the longer charts, on the monthly and the weekly, we also do not see big shifts. Here, that's why from the technical point of view it is simple, but to take a look deeper in the overall situation, in the whole environment that stands around the gold market, the picture becomes really sophisticated. Mostly because, as we said, and we still stand in our opinion, that the major driving factor for the gold right now is the geopolitics, not the economy, not some speculations around Fed rate hiking or something of that sort. It's nobody interested in it anymore. So it's really a very minor factor right now. Whether it's really not big deal whether the Fed will raise the rate on December or not, or will postpone it next year. Nobody cares mostly. And from the geopolitical point of view, we expect that in the nearest couple of months we will get the significant escalation of the conflicts and the situation in the global politics. Mostly it will stand in the Middle East, but also we expect that some hot stage of the war could restart in the Ukraine, because we see some signs from the news. If you will compound the news that we have right now in the single chain, you will see that situation is coming to increasing of the tensions in the nearest time. So the horizon is 1, maybe 2 months. If you would like to know some details, you, for example, could read the recent material from the zerohedge.com. So it's not bad resource in general, and you could find the independent analysis on the geopolitical situation in new materials that have been put there. So it's really interesting, and this mostly reflects the truth situation right now. You know probably about the tensions between the China and the United States in the around the islands that the China is building, artificial islands in the Japan Sea. So this is another side of this situation. Also, as I said, we can't exclude that the nearest time the Ukraine conflict that looks like was frozen right now could turn again to the hot stage, because United States have announced that they are ready to provide the $1 billion credit to the Ukraine, $1 billion to the Ukraine. The last time when they have provided the $2 billion credit, this was the most hot part in the war around the Debaltseve. So this is not just the occasion. And in fact, I will not talk on the details. We'll spend too much time to this. But in general, the crash of the plane, Russia's plane, civilian plane in the Egypt, the sending the 50 warriors, 50 troops from the United States on Syria, starting the surface operation. This is in fact the same chain. This is they stand in the one combination of the factors that lead to the escalation of the conflict. So you could pass through some social nets or in Facebook, maybe in the Twitter, some live journals, or you could find information. If you would like to get fast and just in one place, you could visit zerohedge.com. So they have put the material on this subject, and that's mostly agrees with our opinion, and that we expect this. That's why, guys, although you do not see the big shifts right now on the gold market from the technical picture, but gold right now is the pushing spring, it's the tighten spring, and really could be released in very fast. Also, guys, another moment that I see is recent CFTC data. So you could see that we have the significant drop, also miserable plunge on gold in the recent weeks. But if you take a look at the CFTC report, you will not see the contraction of the speculative long positions, or even short speculative position has been contracted slightly, but the longs stands the same. And the hedgers increased the short position. So the charts of the short position on the hedgers and long positions on the speculators looks similar. It means that this recent drop could probably be triggered by increasing of the shorts by the hedgers. And as you know, the hedgers takes the opposite positions to the trend. That's why I think that the rally to the upside hasn't been done yet, and we expect that really gold could show the significant rally in the nearest future. This is just some kind of the disguise to real situation that stands on the market. Because right now many analysis starts to speak that probably the rally is over and gold is ready to drop lower. Well, currently I don't think so. So it's a bit early to speak about it. And if market will break 1120 support and return back to the lows 1110.90, in this case, yes, probably I will agree and say that probably yes, so we could get another leg down. But in the current tensions that we see in global politics, and the situation right now stands, it's very difficult to suggest that's really could happen right now. That's why, guys, from the technical point of view, we will be watching for reversal signs, reversal patterns on the intraday charts, on the daily charts, around significant support areas. We have mostly 3 levels to watch for. First level is confidence support when the market stands right now. It's 1137 and 1148. Confidence support on the daily market already stands inside of it. Take a look, that market will open very close to the November pivot point. It's new pivot in the month. If we will not get any patterns here, the next level to watch for is 1130. That will be daily oversold, weekly pivot support 1, and take a look on the forward time frame chart. That will be 1618 extension of our ABCD pattern. So right now, probably till 11:30, it's hardly some pattern will be formed. But its market will complete this ABCD pattern. As you can see, plunge down really fast. Hardly market will stop till we've completed this pattern totally. But as soon as it will happen, here market could turn to forming some reversal pattern and could trigger upward reversal in this area. And final level that we'll be watching for, but mostly for getting the confirmation of the failure of the bullish setup or something of that sort, it's 1120. This final acceptable for the bulls, acceptable level for retracement. So until this level, retracement is logical and acceptable. Below this level, this hardly could be called as a retracement. This put under question the overall existence of the bullish setup here. That's why this level is important. That's what we will be do on the coming week. Because right now, taking the short position, well, it's probably possible on the intraday charts. You could try to trade this rally down, but with getting bullish sentiment, personally, and we see it as in a it's really very explosive situation in the world right now, and you could get the opposite fast action in any time. And it's getting the bullish sentiment on your back, for me, and until market hasn't passed through the major supports, it's a bit difficult to take the shorts on the weekly or on the daily charts. And that's why we will be watching yet for taking the longs. But taking long right now blindly is not a good idea, because market stands in a really significant drop. So that's why we will be watching for a possible pattern that we could use for taking the long position. That will be our major task on the coming week.